Hi, this is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at the eSign feature of the BlueNotary platform. So here from our homepage, we're going to go to New Session, and we're going to go to eSignature. And here we can upload a document if we have one. We can also choose one from a template if we have one uploaded. We can fill out all this information about who the signers are, even set a signing order. And if we want to add signers, we can add them here. We can add people who are just observing or people who are just receiving the document after it's completed. Here under advanced options, we can give a unique identifier to the session. We can say if the signers are on individual devices or the same device. We can send reminders to our signers to make sure that they remember that they have to sign a document. And we can also customize the email that goes to the signer. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more online notary updates.